Welcome to Entera Books, your all-in-one accounting and business management solution. Whether you're running a small business or managing enterprise finances, Entera Books helps you stay organized, compliant, and in control. In this module, you'll learn how to use its features efficiently to streamline your day-to-day workflows and maintain accurate records. At the top, you'll find the main control panel that helps you navigate and perform quick actions across Entera Books. The page tour helps you understand any screen step by step. If you're unsure about what a button does, you can simply use this feature for guided assistance. The global search lets you quickly find anything in the system. Whether it's an invoice, purchase, party, or product, simply type its name or ID. If no result is found, you will also get options to create it instantly. The support section gives you access to help resources and guides. For a better understanding, you can also explore the support module in the quick guide section. The notifications panel keeps you updated with important alerts, and you can control what you want to see based on your preference. The quick add option allows you to instantly create new records, such as invoices, orders, or parties, without navigating into different modules. Using the Entera app switcher, you can easily move between different Entera applications like CRM, payroll, and more. On the dashboard, you also get quick shortcuts to common actions like creating a pro forma invoice, adding a new party, generating a tax invoice, or recording a payment, helping you save time and work faster. This is the standard view for all transaction forms in Entera Books, including tax invoices, delivery challans, pro forma invoices, sales orders, quotations, and payment receipts. The structure remains consistent across all these sections to ensure a uniform experience. To create a new entry, use the plus button on the top right. The label changes based on the form type, such as new tax invoice, new delivery challan, or new payment receipt. This is your starting point for adding any new record. The vertical three-dot menu provides options to export your data, such as PDF or CSV format, making it easier to share or analyze externally. The filters help you quickly locate records using criteria such as status or date. Available filter options may vary across different sections. The search bar allows you to find records using keywords. The gear icon lets you customize the table by selecting which columns you want to view based on your workflow. The horizontal three-dot menu allows you to quickly take actions on a specific record, such as edit, send, or record payment. The available options may change depending on the status of the record and the form you're working on. You can also perform the same actions by opening the record directly. This consistent layout ensures that once you understand one form, you can easily navigate and use all others. You can now confidently explore Entera Books and manage your business operations with greater speed, accuracy, and control.